Ready to permanently remove your digital footprint from Fiverr? Learn the crucial steps to deactivate your account and understand what happens to your data when you say goodbye. Deactivating your Fiverr account is a permanent action that deletes your profile, all your chat history, and removes you from all groups and communities. This process is irreversible, meaning you cannot recover your data once the deactivation is complete. So, from the Fiverr app, tap on More by the bottom right corner. Then, tap on Settings. From Settings, go to Account. The last option there in Accounts should be one labeled to Deactivate Account. Tap on that option. To proceed further, you'll need to type down your phone number. Once you've done that, you'll need to put in the two-step verification code if you have that activated. And once you do, it'll ask you one last time if you want to deactivate account. Tap on Deactivate. And like that, you'll be done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!